hasi chigosori ye skuru chisekondari ekiwango ge chisabu county ya chakarero itukolitangani ase skuru yabamura ya Kisi High School etimu yabamura ya Nyanchwa ero yatangana korwa ase Rumbe ntangani magayoko bwa chinko cyabo cyonsi ankyo nigo barachie imirana ase semifinal hasi boigomo bwe arachie korariwa etimu yabaisike yakereri abo boigo etimu yabamuyara ya rugby ya Kisi High School abo habanyangongo koru ase sub county yo chigoseri chinde nigo chigende tankyo asabanyangongo barachie korariwa koru ase sub county olikito Wycliffe Tyson Manyara na tualiganiri horobotiru
sama litanguru kumugire kefa against chane coach ya Nyanchwa Boys. Leo tuwakire pool matches, we played 3 pool matches. So far we've won all our 3 matches with clean sheets. Tore vyo sage timu ya kirina tuwata getu tuwabire itiye mchioso were number 1 and we are playing semis against a team that will be number 2 from pool D. Etara mane dikere mchiraera. What I'm expecting tomorrow is we continue with the clean sheet sauli. Wetu tsaka zonals Tara Nyansu Golden Lions. Tara Nyansu 32 goals, we've conceded 0. That's what I'm expecting us. If you're semis and finals, we have to defend. We have to keep up leadership in semis and finals.
Majina ni Sam Ngumu, player wa Friends Dianchere, ambapo game ya kwanza tumekuwa na Nyanchwa ambapo ilitulemea kiasi, lakini game ya pili tumequalified na mabao 4 ambapo hii nyingine ya tatu
Diego Mwamba Dennis, one day assistant coach, Soccer Boys and the Boys. Ikinda ateba sikukulia lero. Players wetu attend sana.
Yes, I'm Godfrey Kenya from Kireli Girls. The girls have played a very nice game today. Wow. Girls, how was the game? Fine. We have won today's game and we have great hope tomorrow we'll win more and make more tries.
Yeah.
Come on, guys.
Yes.
Let's go.
My name is Francis Ulesi, head coach for Kisi School. We've had a good game today. It was a bit rainy, it was a rushed game, but the boys did their best. It was an easy win. I think we were able to get around 47 points.